In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a template using Docusign Esignature. We'll go through the process step by step so you can easily share your templates with others in just a few minutes. Let's dive in and get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to the Docusign website. For those new to Docusign, it's the #1 platform for electronic signatures and intelligent agreement management, making it super handy for handling documents efficiently. Once you're on the homepage, the next thing you'll need to do is log in. Look for the Login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Click on it and then enter your credentials. Be sure your login details are secure to protect your sensitive information. After successfully logging in, you'll be taken to the Docusign homepage. This is your central hub for all things related to your electronic documents. On the Docusign homepage, you should see various options that allow you to manage your documents. Our focus today is on sharing a template, so let's continue by finding the Templates tab. It's often found in the main navigation menu, so go ahead and click on the Templates option. This will bring up a list of all the templates that you have created or have access to. Now scroll or browse through your list of templates and find the one you'd like to share. Once you've located the desired template, you'll notice a 3-dot icon, sometimes referred to as an ellipsis, next to it. This icon serves as a menu that gives you several additional actions to choose from. Click on the 3-dot icon to reveal these options. In the menu that pops up, you'll see an option labeled Share with Users. This is the feature that allows you to share your template with others, whether they're team members or collaborators. Go ahead and click on Share with Users. When you click Share with Users, you'll be prompted to select the persons with whom you want to share your template. You may have to enter the email addresses of the users or select existing contacts within your Docusign account. Ensure you have the correct email addresses to avoid any sharing errors. Make sure you review any sharing settings to confirm that the template permissions align with your needs, whether your recipients need to view, edit, or simply receive notifications about changes to the document. After confirming the details, finalize the process by clicking on the relevant button to confirm the share. And that's it, you've just shared a template via Docusign Esignature. Remember, sharing templates allows for efficient collaboration and can help streamline workflows in your organization. We hope this guide was helpful in simplifying the template sharing process for you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out more of our videos for additional tips and tutorials on using Docusign.